nasira po yung aming pinagkakakitaan dito, yung panghanap buhay namin, kagaya ng pangisda. Noong una ay seasonal na, ay lalo pang naapektuhan ngayon. Yun namang aming mga halamanan, palayan, ay natabunan ng banlik. Kung hindi kami makaligtas sa ganong kalagim na pangyayari, o makaligtas, ano naman ang aming haharaping kinabukasan? Back to zero eh. Pero nung dumating yung JK, Smart, tapos natuto kami nito. Sabi ko, wala nang permanenteng hanap buhay gagaya ng pangingisda at saka pagsasaka, paghahalaman. Eh, sabi ko, isa ito para makasustain doon. At uti-uti kong nalalaman niya, talaga nga palang mahiwaga talaga ang plano ng Panginoon.
Ang iniyahin namin ay yung training program para sa arts and craft production.
It is not only building homes, building a quality of life for the people here, but also we are coming out with a program where there is a livelihood program, and one of these is this beautiful artifacts here which has been done by the local people here in General Natara.
Before, nung wala pa sa amin yung training na ibinigay ng Smart at ng Contreras Group of Sculpture, wala po kaming idea dyan. Ang alam ng iba, yan ay mga ulingin lang at yun namang malalaking troso ay di sangkap na pambahay at tapos yung wala kaming idea yan totally. Pero nung makuha namin yung pagiging artist sa training ni Contreras na bigyan ng Smart at saka ng Gawad Kalinga, yung mga kahoy na dati sinisipa-sipa, yung mga bulok ng kahoy, akala mo walang pakinabang, after nun ay yun pala ang tingin na nga namin ngayon pera na
And so we are seeing here that if just Filipinos come together, work together, that we can really rebuild this country, community after community, town after town, and we're going to turn despair into hope, tragedy into an opportunity like what Smart is doing. They're unleashing here the creativity of the Filipino.